Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making chow mein using a very special ingredient, Swiss chard. Now Swiss chard is a very nutritious vegetable which is low calorie and high in magnesium, iron, potassium and vitamins. Also, it is packed with disease fighting antioxidants. So let's get started, make this yummy vegetable and add this to our diet that will not only benefit us but also will help us fight diseases. So I'm going to add this to my chow mein to add extra flavor and extra nutrition. So let's get started how to make this wonderful dish. First I'm going to show you how to chop the Swiss chard. Now Swiss chard, if you look at the leaves of the Swiss chard, it has leaves and it has a thick stem. It either is red, yellow or white. So I'm going to first go ahead and cut off the stem like so. The center part of the leaf. Like this. Okay. And cut them into bite-sized pieces. We're going to cook it the same way how we would cook spinach. Okay, whatever dish you make with spinach, the same thing that you can make using Swiss chard as well. Okay, and of course the stem you can cut them into thin long slices like how we would slice French beans. Alright, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons dark soy, black pepper, a little bit of accent salt or MSG, which is optional. I'm going to add my noodles. And stir it nicely and mix it really well with my other vegetables that I added with chicken. Once everything is mixed, next what I'm going to do is add the Swiss chard. Okay, I'll mix it well again with the noodles so that it wilts a little bit, but do not overcook it. Just the crunch needs to be there. As you can see now, the Swiss chard has mixed so well with the noodles. It has also wilted a little bit and it will be delicious. This is one of the ways that you could use your Swiss chard to make noodles, chow mein. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the bell icon and share the recipe. Like and put your comments as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy this and try it at home as well. Another way to make chow mein using Swiss chard. Thank you. And finally garnish it with green onions.